So that's pretty much it for these curls. As you guys can see, I teamed up with Julia Hair. I've already made this unit. Of course, if you guys are interested in how to make a full lace wig, I do have like a ton of videos on that, but they did send me their body I'm sorry, they're Brazilian straight hair. All the details will be listed down in the description box below. I really just want to see how long these curls last on straight hair. As you guys can see, like typically what I'll do like at night is just put this in 1 or 2 bantu knots and just tie that down, and usually I get like a soft wave. So I kind of just wanted to add a little bit more curls to it, and yeah. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It literally took me about 10 minutes to go ahead and just pop these in and go, and we should be all good. I think the hair should last pretty well. So far so good. It did not have a smell or anything like that. It is not shedding like none whatsoever. It feels extremely soft, smooth. It does have this kind of like tint of brown, as you guys can see. So I'm probably going to put a rinse on the hair, just like black or something like that. I'll probably do the watercolor method. If you guys are interested in seeing that, how to watercolor your hair black, definitely let me know. And yeah, outside of that, we should be all good. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes.